Hello friends, I am a maths faculty from QLS Academy. Today we are going to continue with quadratic equations. So let's get started without any further ado. I hope you will have fun learning. We will start our class with completing the square. So let us say I have the quadratic equation x square minus 4x equal to 5. You can see that there is a big space after 4x. It can be easy to solve if the LHS is a perfect square. Completing the square is all about making the quadratic equation into a perfect square. Engineering it, adding and subtracting from both the sides so it becomes a perfect square. In order for LHS to be a perfect square, there has to be some number here. You just have to look at the coefficient minus 4. Now, what's the half of the coefficient minus 4? It is minus 2. Now, we have to square minus 2, which comes out to be 4. So, we add plus 4 on LHS and RHS. The equation now becomes x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 9. The LHS can be written as x minus 2 ka whole square is equal to 9. Now, we will take the square root of both the sides and you will get x minus 2 equal to plus minus 3. Adding 2 to both the sides, hence x will be equal to 5 or minus 1. Let us take one more example, which is 10x square minus 30x minus 8 equal to 0. To simplify the equation a little, we will divide everything by 2. As we are having this coefficient 5, so we need to divide it by 5. Now, let us add 4 upon 5 to both the sides of the equation. Just like the last problem, we will turn the LHS into the perfect square of a binomial. हम half of the coefficient लेंगे, उसका square करेंगे and दोनों साइड ऐड कर देंगे. इससे हमारा LHS perfect square बन जाएगा. That is x minus 3 upon 2 का whole square. अब हम दोनों साइड्स का square root निकालेंगे. After solving, you will get x equal to 3 upon 2 plus minus under root of 61 upon 20. You can calculate this value using a calculator. For plus, the answer will be equal to 3.246 and for minus, the answer will be equal to minus 0.246. Now we will learn about the quadratic formula. If we are having a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we can use the quadratic formula to find the solutions to this equation. Divide ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by a and you will get x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a equal to 0. Now we have to subtract c upon a from both the sides and we will get x square plus b upon a x equal to minus c upon a. In the next step, we will take half of the coefficient of x and square it. The LHS of this equation is same thing as x plus b upon 2a ka whole square. The RHS of the equation can be rewritten as b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now, we will find the square root of both the sides and we will get x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Next, if you subtract b upon 2a from both the sides, what do you get? You will get x equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a and we are done. अब जो हमने सीखा वो हम एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. Let us say we have a equation x square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. इस इक्वेशन में a की वैल्यू क्या है 1, b की वैल्यू है 4 एंड c की वैल्यू है minus 21. अब हम ये वैल्यूज़ जो है a, b एंड c की ये क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला में पुट करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू minus 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 upon 2 into 1, which is further equal to minus 4 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 100 अपॉन 2. फिर x की वैल्यूज हमारे पास आ जाएंगी -2 प्लस माइनस 5. ऑन कैलकुलेटिंग दिस वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू 3 और x इक्वल टू -7. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं विच इज़ 3x² प्लस 6x इक्वल टू -10. सबसे पहले हम सारी टर्म्स को LHS में मूव करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट 3x² प्लस 6x प्लस 10 इक्वल टू 0. अब हम A, B एंड C की वैल्यूज़ को क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला में पुट करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू -6 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 36 माइनस 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 10 अपॉन 2 इंटू 3, which is further equal to -6 plus minus under root of -84 upon 6. But it is giving a square root of a negative number. So we can say that it will be having no real solutions. हम थोड़े word problems लेकर देखते हैं to understand this concept more. The question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, we have to find the sides of the field. Okay, now coming to the solution, let us assume that smaller side is equal to x meter, hypotenuse will be equal to x plus 60 meter and the longer side will be equal to x plus 30 meter. तो according to the question हमारी equation बन जाएगी x² plus 60x माइनस 2700 इक्वल टू 0. अब हमें इस इक्वेशन में क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा टू फाइंड इट सोल्यूशन. सो वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू 60 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट के अंदर 3600 माइनस 4 इंटू 1 इंटू माइनस 2700 अपॉन 2 इंटू 1. इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा x इक्वल टू 60 प्लस माइनस 120 अपॉन 2. On solving the value of x, we will get x equal to 90 or x equal to -30. But here the x की value it cannot be -30. So smaller side is equal to 90 meter and the longer side is equal to 120 meter. Let us move to our next question. The question is, the volume of a box is 405 cube units. The length is x units and the width is x plus 4 units. Whereas the height of the box is 9 units. Here we have to find the dimensions of the box. So हमको पता है कि volume of the box किसके equal होता है, length into breadth into height. तो हम question के according equation बना सकते हैं x plus 4 into x into 9 equal to 405. This equation can be further written as 9x square plus 36x minus 405 equal to 0. To make this equation look easy, we can divide it by 9. तो हमारी equation बन जाएगी x² plus 4x minus 45 equal to 0. अब हम इसी equation को quadratic formula से solve करेंगे to find the value of x. तो x equal to -4 plus minus अंडर रूट के अंदर 16 minus 4 into 1 into minus 45 upon 2 into 1. In the next step we will get -4 plus minus under root of 196 upon 2. Under root of 196 is equal to 14. So x की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएंगी -2 प्लस -7. मतलब -2 प्लस 7 कितना हो गया 5 एंड -2 -7 कितना हो गया -9. The value of x cannot be negative, so we will neglect x equal to -9. Hence x equal to 5. So the length of the box is equal to 5 units और width हो जाएगी 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9 units and height हमको already given थी जो कि 9 units थी. So friends, this is it for this session. We learned about completing the square, which is a method to find the roots of the quadratic equation. We also learned how to obtain and use quadratic formula. So I hope you had fun learning. For any queries or information, you may visit the link following the video. Thank you.